Hey, urungo to chukero ta urungo chulvio kani ko nabi ka artubuga dorbi ko tabulim.
Senga ningerongoda. Sabakan dinendine tako witi rotuma rambi kikio mo kina may manuata ni apagan. Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, North Pole, South Pole.
Right. Iyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, if
Go.
you are friends with the Facebook I have,
Yeah.
you will see the photo of my tamale pouring the flour in my head.
Yeah.
While I'm sleeping, I'm knockering.
And you can see flower, punches flower.
Yeah.
And you can see inside my house, there's a small waterfall too is coming there.
Oh, not from the eyes, not from the nose,
No.
Not from the ear,
No.
From the tongue.
I was knocked out,
Yeah.
and my tamale came in and went to mboro like my instrument.
Right. Okay.
So
Yeah.
I was surprised that early in the morning when I woke up, I see the post. I was sleeping while they are doing this kind of information in my life.
Yeah, transformation.
Yeah. Flower here, flower there, in front, at the back. I don't know where their heads go. But that's what I was saying.
That's what we call the sureti Sema. They do the baking there.
And then yesterday, last night, I repaid. I paid back. I realized that I saw it in the photo.
Right.
And I was
posted in the Facebook.
I was ashamed of my life.
Because
yes, they said, "Whoa, one big dark human being. Flower everywhere. Flower here, flower there, flower in front, flower at the back." You know, I was very, very ashamed.
Flower factory.
Last night I went up.
Right.
I went to their house.
Now the payback time.
If you listened this morning,
right?
I told them it's a payback time.
Inside job.
My wife.
Why you never repay to your wife?
Hey, you see the photo? I bury her yesterday. I bury my wife yesterday. I bury.